This is how you use Infinity Pack to create a beautiful soundtrack in any video or sound editing app without knowing anything about music theory. After you have downloaded the pack, you will find two folders, MP3 and WAV. Simply choose the format you prefer. Inside, there are two folders that you will be mixing together to achieve a beautiful soundtrack. Step 1. Preview some of the soundscapes, and once you have found the set you like, drag and drop those files into your session. I'm using Adobe Premiere, but you can do it in any video or sound editing software. There is no wrong order of placing these audio files, as all of them were composed in the same musical key. For example, I really like the set number 4, and therefore I will drag and drop the audio files from that set multiple times. And then, use keyframes or the crossfade audio effect to join the soundscapes and create a musical progression, just like this. Step number 2. Go to the musical phrase folder and choose the instruments you like, then preview the musical phrases. Once you have found the few that you like, drag and drop them to your session under the soundscapes that you have just placed. Make sure to match musical chords for soundscapes and musical phrases by simply looking at the file names. And that's it. Within a few minutes, you can have your very own musical soundtrack. If you are interested in more creative ways of using Infinity Sound Pack, make sure to watch our other video tutorial that you can find on our website. Thanks!